The US's reliability as a global partner is in question, according to S&P Global Ratings chief economist Paul Gruenwald. But is this a fair assessment, or is there more to the story? The global economic climate. During his recent visit to India, Gruenwald shared his insights on the global economy, which has been shrouded in uncertainty. Initially, concerns centered around tariffs and their potential to hinder growth. However, the actual impact of tariffs proved less severe than anticipated, and the narrative has shifted. Data centers and capex boom now present upside risks, offering a more optimistic outlook. Despite lingering policy uncertainty in the US, the overall macroeconomic story has improved in recent months. The tariff conundrum. But here's where it gets controversial: did economists overestimate the effects of US tariffs? Gruenwald attributes this overestimation to three factors. Firstly, the expected tariff rates were higher than the final rates implemented. Secondly, there was minimal retaliation from other countries, indicating a reluctant acceptance of the tariffs as a cost of doing business with the US. And thirdly, the actual tariffs collected are lower than the statutory rate, with businesses absorbing much of the cost. The US-India perspective. India, with its relatively closed economy, is among the countries reassessing their international relations. Gruenwald notes that India, along with Brazil, has yet to resolve issues related to high tariffs. The US's reliability as a partner is being questioned, prompting countries to diversify their trade and investment strategies. This shift is part of a global trend, moving away from the Washington consensus. India's economic potential. India stands out as the fastest-growing major emerging market, having taken the growth baton from China. With numerous tailwinds, India is poised for long-term sustained growth. Maintaining a trajectory of 6.5% over multiple years would be an impressive feat, especially considering China's growth was largely driven by capital deepening rather than productivity. A 6% to 7% growth rate for India is nothing to scoff at and would be a significant achievement. And this is the part most people miss: while the US-China trade tensions have grabbed headlines, the evolving dynamics between the US and other major economies, like India, could have far-reaching implications. Are we witnessing a fundamental shift in global economic alliances? What does this mean for the future of international trade and investment? What are your thoughts on the changing global economic landscape? Do you think the US's reliability as a partner is waning, or is this a temporary perception?